こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, kanji video number 14 of JLPT N4 about the nature, and this is the second part. This kanji's meaning is the ocean, and we pronounce yo, long sound, yo. And here, this is Sansui. Sansui, it's like she from katakana, and this got something to do with water. The stroke order is very easy. At first, Sansui, 1, 2, 3. And then this part, 4 and 5, always inside like this. And after this black line, this one. And now this blue line is a little bit shorter than this black one. And now this green one is the longer than these two, like this. And the last one is this red line just in the center, going down. And this is the longer. The most important point to learn kanji is to learn vocabularies using these kanjis. So at first, toyo and seiyo. This kanji, here we pronounce to, but in kunyomi, higashi, and it means the east. And this one, here we pronounce sei, but in kunyomi, this is nishi, it means the west. And together with this kanji yo, toyo, it means the east or the eastern. Seiyo, seiyo, this is the west or western. For example, adding this word, igaku, medical science, medical science. So, toyo igaku, it is Eastern medicine or Oriental medicine. Seiyo igaku, Western medicine. The Pacific Ocean, Taiheiyo, Taiheiyo. Atlantic Ocean, Taiseiyo, Taiseiyo. Be careful with these kanjis, Tai and Tai. Both pronunciation is the same. But in Taiheiyo, Pacific Ocean, we use Tai with this ten here. Futoi, thick. But Taiseiyo, Atlantic Ocean, this kanji is oki, big. Occidental clothes like this, because this is not kimono. Yofuku, yofuku. Snow with this kanji, yuki, yuki is snow. And onyomi is setsu. The upper part of this kanji, the part of the crown, this is ame. Ame is the rain, so we call ame kamuri. And the lower part is like yo from katakana, ya, you, yo. So it's very easy. So the stroke order is very easy. The first part is ame. 1, 2, 3 going up like this. Here, boom. Because ame, the rain, is like this one, like this. But this is only ame kamuri, the part of the kanji. So like this. Then the center. And now 4, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, lower part is yo from katakana. 1, 2, 3. And this red one is like always like this inclination is better. It snows. We use with this verb, furu or furimasu. Yuki ga furu or yuki ga furimasu. It snows. Just the same way, ame ga furu or ame ga furimasu. It rains. It's snowing now. 今、雪が降っています。Snowman、雪だるま。雪だるま、Snowman。Snowball fight。Snowball fight、雪合戦。雪合戦。Soft and light snow. You can almost see the snowflake. This is 新雪。Fresh snow or new fallen snow.Virgin snow. And this shin kanji is 新しい new 新しい and yuki 新雪 I think you remember na adjective kind, gentle 親切親切たんたた親切 and this one fresh snow 親切たんたんたん shinsetsu. So this one, kind, shinsetsu. And fresh snow, shinsetsu, shinsetsu, shinsetsu. The first snowfall of the season, hatsuyuki, hatsuyuki. This kanji, hatsu, it's like はじめまして for the first time. So the first time in snow, hatsuyuki, heavy snow, 大雪、大雪、light, 光、光、light. This can be used also as the verb 光ります to shine. But in this case, only this kanji you pronounce 光 and 光ります. But the light, only this one and 光. I already made several videos about onomatopoeias, and the first one, the number one, this was キラキラ. So we can use like 星がキラキラ光ります. Stars twinkle so beautifully. The sunlight, we can say two ways. The first, 太陽光. Here I use 光音読み太陽光 or 太陽の光太陽の光 The moonlight, we can say two ways. The first one, 月月の光月 is the moon 月の光 This is the easiest. And the other one in 音読み But in this case, instead of 月 we must pronounce 月 like 月曜日 But we jump song 月光月光 But I think it's easier to say 月の光 Ray of lightning Lightning, we say 稲妻稲妻 Then we add the particle の稲妻の光稲妻の光 Now pronouncing こうこう This is 音読み At first 観光 only 観光観光 This is tourism And 観光客客 This is client So 観光客 It means tourist sightseeing spot or tourist spot 観光地 This 地 it means the place This is the land So 観光地観光地 The verb to do sightseeing or to go sightseeing 観光します観光します A table or the stand This is 台台 The stroke order is very easy. The first part is like mu from katakana. Mami mu. You are going here up, okay? Mami mu memo mu. And this one is like ro, lari rure ro. This ro from katakana, or maybe you can think mouth, kuchi, the kanji, the mouth, like this. Only one advice that your kanji looks better is this kuchi, the mouth. This is narrow one than here. And also always like this form. We usually pronounce this kanji dai, but in rare cases we pronounce tai. But today we're gonna see it. Do you remember the counter words? We use dai to count, for example, the machineries or vehicles. For example, 1台、2台、3台、4台、5台、6台、7台、8台、9台、10台. We usually count big things with dai, but also home appliances or household appliances. There are two ways to say kitchen. 台所 using this kanji 台所 or like in English kitchen the base the foundation or the groundwork 土台 to build a foundation or to lay a foundation 土台を作ります stage for example stage of the theater we say 舞台 here we pronounced for the first time 台 instead of 台 舞台 this 舞 comes from the verb 舞います to dance so 舞台 this is the stage for example of the theater a scenario a script or libretto. This is 台本. 台本, you know, 本, this is a book, and 台, this is a base, so foundation. So this is the script, for example, for the actors. This kanji symbolizes wind, 風, 風, but we also pronounce 風, 風 or ふ. Now let's write this kanji. It looks a little bit difficult, but not so much. The red one from here and going down and going outside like this. The second stroke is this black line. From here, going a little bit up and now going down, but you are going also, you open this line and at the end you jump. Now inside this blue one, it's like no from katakana, nani no ne no, like this. Chun. Now what we're gonna write, this part is mushi, insects. Now this part, just like ro, rariredo from katakana, or kuchi, the mouth. But this is very wide. This green one going inside like this. One, and this red one going a little bit up. This is quite wide. And now like this inside. And the last one, this black line to close. Now just in the center, this blue one, the blue line like this going down. And now this green one from here, from the down and going up. And you must, this line, this point of the blue one, you touch here and like till here. And the last one is this red one. North wind. You know, north is 北, 北. So, 北風, north wind, 北風. Oh, 北風は寒いですね. The verb to blow. 吹きます。吹きます. So, 風が吹きます。風が吹きます。It means wind blows. And 北風が吹いています。North wind is blowing. A sea breeze. 潮風。潮風。This kanji, 潮, it means tide. 潮, there's other word, 潮, salt, but different kanji. This kanji, this is tide. Strong wind. 強風. Here I made a mistake, so without anything like this. 強風 and 強風, strong wind. 強, this kanji, this is 強い. 強い is e adjective. Strong. So 強風, strong wind. Typhoon, we say 台風 with this kanji that we just learned. And here we pronounce tai instead of dai. 台風. Typhoons. And there are lots of typhoons in Japan, especially in September. Western style and Japanese style. Yofu. We learned this kanji today too. Yofu. This is Western style. In Japanese style, we say wafu. You've learned a lot of new vocabularies today. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using kanji. 1番目. I want to study Eastern medicine or Oriental medicine in China. 2番目. Today in Hokkaido, it's heavy snow and the north wind is blowing. 3番目. 最後です. In my mother's kitchen, there are, not only one, there are 2 new fridges. Oh, 2 new refrigerators? Yeah, not one. So much. 2. In my kanji's videos, you can learn not only how to write them, but how to read them and many new vocabularies. As there are only few numbers of views, so sometimes I feel a little bit disappointed. But anyway, I think it's very important for you to learn kanjis very well. So I keep on going. If you can help me, please share my videos with your friends. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos to learn Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日も新しい漢字を5つ勉強しました。今日の漢字は自然に関する漢字であまり難しくなかったと思います。漢字のビデオは特に視聴回数が少ないので時々落ち込んだりしちゃったりもします。でも漢字を勉強することはとても大切だと思うので一生懸命頑張っています。ですから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンと、そしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでね。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。